Hey guys, it's Daisy's Vlog, and today I'm going to be doing my slime collection. So, I'm going to start off with one of my favorites. Can you guys guess, is it glow in the dark or clear? And is it blue or teal? 3, 2, 1. Did you guys comment down below what color it is and what it is? There'll also be a poll right there. This 3, 2, 1. It's blue and it's glow in the dark, but I can't really show you right now, so maybe at the end of the video.
For me, it's like the beach, and then there's like the land, the sand, and the sky, and it's the three elements of the universe coming together.
I actually made this one yesterday. I showed it on my video. So if you guys haven't went to go check that video out, go do it. So we're gonna move on to our next one. Now that one was called Blue Raspberry Glow, just because it glows in the dark. This one is Green Cactus Cooler. We gotta move through these kind of fast because I have a lot of slimes. I even have more, but I didn't want to bring them because, yeah, I don't know why. But don't mind the background. It's just some Impractical Jokers, so. Can you guys, okay, let's do some ASMR. And now we're going to do a swirl just to end this slime. My beautiful swirl. Next one. Sorry guys, I have to go under my table. What?
You have to go under the table?
Yeah. Well, my arms have to grab some. Do you like people when they do this? Like they go like this. Oh, this one was not good. But we're gonna do some ASMR. This is Great Mountain Dew, I think. Was that it? Yes, that was it. Now we're going to end this slime off awesome with some swirl. There it is. It has yeah, so we're going to put this one away. And since we didn't do ASMR with this blue raspberry one, I think I called it.
Why are you turning the light off? Why are you seeing the dark?
There we go. So it's super glittery. Let's do some ASMR with the blue one. We're gonna move quickly now. I thought you said you didn't like that beef jerky.
I'm hungry.
Ooh, this slime was not so good, so we're just gonna do some ASMR and get over it with it. This is called Green Poop. I'm just kidding, it's called Green Apple. Okay, let's start with ASMR. It's a butter slime, so you can't really tell. So we're gonna move on to the next one. And we got 2. See if I can get another one. I actually did get one. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing 3. Like, I almost dropped it, and guys, this is glass. So yeah, and this is one of my best-selling ones. If I did have a shot, it would be my best-selling one. But here it is. This was one of the best slimes I have in my slime collection. So, I'm going to be doing some ASMR. Okay, let's do it. And this one's called the Soft and Easy Green. I'm just kidding. It's called the Soft and Easy to Bake Slime. I don't know why I named it that, but I did. So, yeah. What in the world are you watching? Okay, whatever. Let's start with our next one. Our next one is going to be the same one, but in a different container. So I'm just gonna poke it, do some ASMR, then quit with it. So, ASMR time. Okay, done. Because you guys already saw the slime, it's right there. Yes. Okay. So the next time we're going to be doing is this green one. I called it Green Poop Slime. No one wants to see that. Okay. And this is one of my biggest ones that I've shown you yet. It's a really good slime, guys. Watch like that. So yeah. Oh, did I already do ASMR? I'm gonna do some ASMR. We're done. Okay. We're done. Don't mess with me. You guys never want to mess with me. I'm gonna put these down here just so you can see them. Okay, now we're gonna do my next slime. My next one is a big one. Can you guys guess what color it is? 3, 2, 1. If you guess yellow, you are correct. And can you guess what video this is from?
Wow.
Which one?
Did you leave on the ground?
No.
I'm sure you did.
Okay, so if you guys guess the buttercream slime video, you are right. Super fluffy. Not that stretchy, but pretty stretchy. If your slime can go longer than that, it's pretty. Okay. We're gonna move on. Now that's the. Ooh. Actually, no, it isn't. Hey guys, guess where this color's from?
Want to shut the window? I can push it. Okay.
So, can you guys guess what color this is, what I named it, and what video this is from? Dun, dun. Yes. If you guys guessed Blue Mountain orange cream soda mix berry, I don't know. If you guys choose blue raspberry, you guys are correct. And if you said blue, you are correct. And if you said I don't know what I mean. Okay, whatever. Don't mind the background. We're gonna wait some ASMR. There we go. Okay, I got it. This one is one of my all-time favorite ones, but I still have a favorite one. My strawberry pink smoothie slime. As you guys can see, it has some blue in it because it's supposed to be a smoothie. And why I named it pink smoothie slime, it's because I mixed some of my slimes and it made a pink and it's smoothie. It's a slime smoothie. And you see, this is one of my ones that I made today. Okay, let's do some ASMR. That was pretty good. Okay, so next. Can you guess what this is from? If you guys guess gray, you are out. Let's see. Are you right? Are you wrong? We don't know. Here it is. Is it gray? Is it green? It's reveal 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's gray. So yeah, and we're just gonna move on. I'm not gonna do ASMR because we have to get this video quicker. So the next one is this. Oh my gosh, I did not expect that. But this is one of my also my all-time favorite one. And it's coming on. Okay, we gotta move.
Has opted out of his contract with at 9:01 Eastern Time.
This is one that my aunt made. She's over there. It came out pretty good. Kind of better than mine. Maybe not. But it's super good. Auntie, what did you name your slime again?
Well, it is no limit at the Tonga Resort as they
What did you name it?
The root beer slime.
No, this one. This green one that you made.
Oh, and then apple blossom.
Oh yeah, this is apple blossom. So, in total of my slimes, I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Us a different perception of what we're seeing on the floor. So most cameras are up high and they see different things. This gives us an eye level view. It's moving.
I have 16 slimes. Okay, that's good. Yes, I have 16 slimes. Here's the 14. This is the 13th slime. It's blue cotton candy. This is the 15th. My aunt calls this one. What do you call it, Auntie? What do you call it?
Suicide slime?
Yes, she calls it the suicide slime. And why? And why? Why do you call it the suicide slime?
It's all the colors mixed together. Just like a suicide.
Okay. That is why it's her favorite. It's a little metallic, so try mine too. The last but not least is actually the last. So I don't know. It is my Tion. Super good.
And we're just coming out yesterday's full moon, but still looking pretty full, guys. Clear skies.
So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the 16 minutes and we had 16 slimes. But it might become not 16 minutes, it might come like 17 minutes, but still. Whatever. Just know that we ended at 16 minutes. So, yes. Oh. I'll be right back, guys.
I saw this 4x4 with tricked out wheels on your set.
Okay, there we go, guys. Oh. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. See you next time.